Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at the Baebrow Hold Up Brow Wax, a name that sounds like it's trying way too hard to be sophisticated. It claims to be an easy-to-use styling wax that lifts, shapes, and sets your brows for that fuller, salon-quality look we're all told we need to survive. It even comes with a dual-angle brush and promises a long-lasting hold, because apparently, our eyebrows have now become complex structural engineering projects. But is it actually worth your time? Or is it just another way to part you from your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. On the bright side, the product is available on Amazon. That's a plus because it means the listing has survived some basic verification checks, and more importantly, it gives us access to honest customer reviews, because we all know the internet is a bastion of truth and total lack of bias. Another point for transparency, the brand actually shares a complete list of ingredients. This is perfect for anyone who wants to know exactly which substances they're laminating onto their face, especially if your skin is as sensitive as a Victorian poet. The third positive sign is that they've clearly explained how to use the product. This means almost anyone can apply it at home and pretend they've had a professional treatment without the soul-crushing cost or the mandatory small talk at a salon. It shows the brand genuinely wants you to succeed, or at least they want to make sure you don't accidentally glue your eyelids shut. However, once you dive into the actual reviews, the honeymoon phase ends rather quickly. Opinions are mixed, to say the least. While some users swear it gives them natural, lifted brows without any stickiness, others aren't exactly thrilled. We're talking complaints about bottle sizes that look suspiciously like travel-size samples for ants, a hold so weak it gives up by lunch, and packaging that arrives looking like it was handled by a frustrated gorilla. So, is Baebrow Hold Up legit? It's an authentic product, sure, but your results may vary wildly. You might get the brows of your dreams, or you might just get a tiny, messy box of regret. Keep those mixed reviews in mind, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest product updates.